So hello guys, welcome back. So today I am going to discuss about labels hidden in SwiftUI 2.0. Labels hidden in SwiftUI 2.0. Suppose for iOS 14. In this tutorial, iOS 14. Suppose we're gonna get on this SwiftUI view. So Command N. On the SwiftUI view. Labels hidden example. We're gonna create on this label hidden example. Suppose we're gonna create on this to state property, bind on this state property is read and write property in this state property, private var. So this is a toggle 1, which is type of toggle, sorry, toggle 1 and is equal to false. This is a boolean property is equal to false. And we're gonna set on this the rate state private var toggle 2 is equal to false. Okay, we're gonna create on the state property, we're gonna create on this vstack, and this is the we can calling on this toggle. We can bind on this property $1. Okay, we're gonna create on this text. This is the closure and this is the toggle 1, and we're gonna create on this properties toggle 1 and another property is spacer. Suppose this we're gonna add on this spacer dot frame, and we're gonna apply this height. Suppose this is a 42 height, then we're gonna create on this toggle and bind on. So toggle is on, we can set change on this initializers. Toggle is on initializers is on labels, and we can remove on this content dollar, bind on this property toggle 1, and this label is our labels command X and command V can set on this labels, remove on this content. Okay, toggle 1 and this frame is height, you can apply is on, sorry, toggle 1 and is on. We can bind on this property toggle 2, and we're gonna set on this property toggle 2. Print on this toggle 2. We're gonna apply on this. Suppose we're gonna apply on this toggle 1 and toggle 2. Okay, we can set on this expressions. We're gonna resume on this project. So we're gonna resume on this project. Okay, and we're gonna apply, suppose we're gonna apply this font. Suppose this is a title, and we're gonna apply this font weight is bold. We're gonna apply this font, suppose this red color on this, suppose it's a purple color, and we're gonna apply this toggle properties. Suppose this is we're gonna apply this titles, and we're gonna apply on this, suppose this is the heavy, and we're gonna apply on this, suppose this is the red color. Okay, we're gonna apply on the two color toggle 1 and toggle 2. We're gonna apply the vstack dot padding. We're gonna apply this padding on a vstack. We're gonna apply the padding on a vstack. Okay, we're gonna resume on this project. This is toggle 1 and this toggle 2, toggle 1, toggle 2, toggle 1 and toggle 2. So today I am going to discuss about labels hidden. What is labels hidden? Hides the labels of any controls contained within the view. Hides the labels of any controls contained within the view. So we're gonna apply this. Suppose this is a toggle 2. So we're gonna apply this dot hide. We're gonna apply the dot hidden label. Labels hidden. Okay, you can resume. This is labels hidden. You can run on this project and labels hidden. This is toggle 2 is labels hidden, and we're gonna apply. Suppose this we can apply dot labels hidden. And labels is hidden. We can set with this toggle labels is hidden. So what labels hidden? Hide the labels of any controls contained within the view. Hide the labels of any control contained within the. Suppose you can remove on this hide labels. Remove on this hide label. We can set on this toggle 2. We can set on this toggle 2. So what is labels hidden? Hides the labels of any controls contained within the view. content within the view. Okay, and we're gonna remove on this heights and labels. We can resume on this application, so we can show on this toggle 1 and toggle 2 properties in Swift UI 2.0. Okay, and we're gonna apply this. Suppose we have dot heading labels hidden. This is labels hidden is 2.0 toggle. So thank you for watching this video. We can use of enjoy learning my channel.